Middle, left to right. The Pic du Midi, the Bigorre and the Palais Beaumont. Pau is a commune overlooking the Pyrenees and capital of the department of Pyrnes Atlantiques in the region of Nouvelle-Aquitaine, France. Pau has 77,130 inhabitants as of 2017. The city is located in the heart of the former sovereign Principality of Béarn, of which it was the capital from 1464. Pau lies on the Gave de Pau and is located 100 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean and 50 kilometers from Spain. This position gives it a striking panorama across the mountain range of the Pyrenees as well as the hillsides of Jurançon. According to Alphonse de Lamartine, Pau has the world's most beautiful view of the earth, just as Naples has the most beautiful view of the sea. The site has been occupied since at least the Gallo-Roman era. However, the first references to Pau as a settlement only occur in the first half of the 12th century. The town developed from the construction of its castle, likely from the 11th century by the Viscounts of Béarn, to protect the ford, which was a strategic point providing access to the Béarn valleys and to Spain. The city takes its name from the stockade which surrounded the original castle. Pau became the capital of Béarn in 1464 and the seat of the kings of Navarre in 1512 after the capture of Pamplona by the Kingdom of Castile. Pau became a leading political and intellectual center under the reign of Henry d'Albret. With the end of Béarnese independence in 1620, Pau lost its influence but remained at the head of a largely autonomous province. It was home to the Parliament of Navarre and Béarn during the Revolution, when it was dismantled to create the Department of Basses-Pyrénées. The Belle Époque marked a resurgence for the Béarnese capital with a massive influx of wealthy foreign tourists, who came to spend the winter to take advantage of the benefits of Pau's climate. It was at this time that Pau became one of the world capitals of the nascent aerospace industry, under the influence of the Wright brothers. With the decline of tourism during the 20th century, Pau's economy gradually shifted towards the aviation industry and then to petrochemicals with the discovery of the Lac gas field in 1951. The Université de Pau et des Pays de l'Adore, founded in 1972, accounts for a large student population. The city plays a leading role for Béarn but also for a wide segment of the Adore area. Pau's heritage extends over several centuries. Its diversity and its quality allowed it to obtain the label of City of Art and History in 2011. The name of its people is Palois in French and Pollen in Occitan. The motto of Pau is in Latin, Urbis Palladium et Gentis. Pau is 100 kilometers away as the crow flies. The frontier is crossed by the Col du Sompot and the Col du Portalet. Access to the crossing partly accounts for Pau's strategic importance. Pau is located 200 kilometers from Olaun. The conglomeration of Béarn-Anglet-Biarritz is at 110 kilometers. Bordeaux 190 kilometers. Pau is served by the Pau Pyrnes Airport 10 kilometers away. Limited scheduled flights serve Amsterdam, London, Southampton, Dublin, Lyon and Paris. A TGV rail line runs to Paris and from Béarn to Toulouse. The A64 autoroute goes to the east. The A65 autoroute was opened in December 2010, linking Pau with Bordeaux and the Dordogne. The city is connected to Spain through the Sompot Tunnel and the Col du Portalet. The city, located at an average altitude of 200 meters south to the border. The lands of the commune are also watered by the Loup de Béarn, a tributary the Loup, and by its tributaries, the Aiglon and the Ouzan, as well as the Soust, the Harere, the Ouse and the Ouse des Bois, tributaries of the Gave de Pau. The Aiglon is in turn joined the territory of Pau by the Bruscos and the Lata streams, just as the Ouse is joined by the Meurthe stream. The Lau Creek that feeds the Canal du Moulin, meanwhile, is also present in the municipality. Pau features wet mild winters, with warm, mild summers that are drier. Its geographical location, not far from the Pyrenees, gives the city a contrasting, warm oceanic climate. Temperatures colder than -10 degrees Celsius in February 1956 and -17.5 degrees Celsius from November to April. In summer, the maximum temperatures are of the order of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. As soon as the wind stops, snow can fall. Rainfall is high, of the order of 1,100 millimeters in Bordeaux and 650 millimeters in Toulouse. Sunshine averages around 1,850 hours per year. or a little less than its neighbor of the Hautes-Pyrénées, Tarbes, which averages 1,940 hours of sunshine per year. Fog is infrequent and does not persist much beyond noon. The lack of wind especially characterizes the climate of the Pau region. Strong winds are very rare. In general, winds are very low or zero. This climate has helped Pau to become, at the end of the 19th century, a winter resort spot popular with the English, Russian and Brazilian bourgeoisie. In 1842, a British doctor, Alexander T.